Oh, it's FragWatch here. Oh, yeah, he's here. FragWatch. Hey, FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing two Final Mice, the ULX Prophecy series. Wanted to do this and open this up for you so you guys can see this, how it pops open. It gives you the box. Kind of cool. Kind of lame. I don't know. There we go. So we have the Tfue and the Tarik. That box had a lot of debris in it. Drives me nuts. Okay, and make sure my reverb's off. All right, do the Tfue first. Here we go. Oh, you got some Davy boys here. Be real careful in case I want to resell these. See if I can do this. Holy moly, I should have brought my knife over. Alright. Tfue. It's got his name like written right there, signed. It's cool. It's like embossed. It's neat. Let's do this. Yeah, alright. Okay. It's got a nice coating on the inside, foam. Very cool. We have... Is this what this is supposed to look like? Just black and gold? It's prophecy on the side. That's... It feels nice. It feels like a ULX. Okay. Back in the box for now for you. Okay, it doesn't want to go back in. Just gonna ram it back in. That's Tfue. Oh, we're unboxing this. Let's get all the crap. Sorry. You can tell how excited I am for these. Very little excitement for these. This is like... Jesus. That was... I mean... It's a very stiff cord. Not great. Comes with... instruction booklet. Grip with two grips. That's it. Okay. All right. Okay. That's a typical Final Mouse shit. All right. Okay. Back in there, Tfue. Man, that is like kind of bending. Not a good sign. All right. This one now. All right. We got, oh, this is the Tarik. It's the, oh, my thumb's covering it. Kind of cool. I like the boxes, like the design. It's kind of neat. Is that an actual, that might actually be a signature? Yeah, that's an actual signature. It looks like they didn't give a shit about their signature. Anyways, whatever. That's silly. Okay, this one looks better. It's got like side. I don't know, for $200. Oh no, this is worth it. It feels good though, man. These feel nice. Let's see if the cord is the same. Cord's identical in both. Was it like the same, just side grips? I feel like for $200 you should get quite a bit more. I digress. The unboxing of the Final Mice Prophecy. Yay. Yay. All right. Enough of that. FragWatch out here.